We have a list of students and the grade they got for their first test. So all we need to find now is their letter grade. So over here I made a table that will VLookup will reference to. So we have the grades over here and their corresponding letter grades. Now VLookup function it only works if you have the grades in increasing order, so from 0 to 90. If you start it in decreasing order, so from 90 to 0, VLookup function will not work. So over here, let's get started. Let's type equal VLookup, hit tab, and here's the lookup value that we're looking for, and here is the table array. We're going to reference this table, and hit a comma, and we're looking for the values in column number 2. So in our little table, here's the first column, here's the second column, so we're looking for the values in this column, so we're going to hit 2. Now close parentheses, hit enter. So I purposely did a mistake because it can happen. So over here, the values are not available because it's they aren't referencing in the table properly. So you see how this shifted downwards? Well, that's the problem. So basically, same for here. It's actually like completely outside of the table. So what we need to do to fix that is actually lock the cells. So over here, what you want to do is put a $sign right over here in front of the row and in front of the column. And over here, if you just hit F4, it'll do it for you. Now what it does is basically here I'm locking the column B and I'm locking row 12. So I'm locking this cell and I'm also locking the cells, column number, letter C and row number 16. So now if I drag this down, it'll work properly. There you go. Also, I just want to show you a shortcut. So if you, instead of dragging it down, if you just double click here, it'll do it for you. It'll go down all the way to wherever the last